Guys, today we are going to see pediatric dosing calculation. So for us, we have the example here. Doctor has prescribed syrup calf, that is chloramphenicol, 100 milligram QID for 5 days. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let's continue. So for us, we use the formula prescribe amount divided by what we have, and then we multiply by the dial length. Let's look at this. So this one is chloramphenicol syrup, then you say oral suspension, and then each 5 mils contain 125 milligram. Now, so we have, what we have is 125 milligram in 5 mils. So let's come to our formula. Our prescribed amount is 100 milligram, and then we are going to divide by what we have, 125 milligram, and then we are going to multiply by the dial length, and the dial length is 5 mils. So let's do the mathematics, and we see. So 100 divided by 125 times 5. So our thing is 4 mils. Going to measure 4 mils and give. So in exam, 4 mils is the answer. So that is example 1. Let's look at example 2. In this case, doctor has prescribed syrup calf, that is chloramphenicol, 20 milligram per kilogram body weight QID for 5 days. So remember, our prescribed amount is in terms of milligram per kilogram body weight, is not yet finished. So in case we have the weight of 10, so what we are going to do, we are going to first convert this to milligram. Now we are going to multiply 20 milligram times the kilogram body weight, that is 10 times 10. So our answer is 200 milligram. So this one become our prescribed amount. So we use the formula prescribed divided by what we have times the dial length. Now our prescribed amount is 200. We are going to multiply by, we are going to divide by 125, because remember, this one is syrup. Each 5 mils contain 125, and then we are going to multiply by 5. So now this one, what will we get? Let's do the mathematics. 200 divided by 125 times 5. So our answer is 8 mils. So we're going to get 8 mils and give the baby. So let's look at method 2. Method 2, we are going to multiply the what, because this one is more than 125. So let's do it like that. Our prescribed amount is 200 milligram. Now what we have, so if each 5 mils contain 125, we are going to multiply this one by 2. So it is 250. We are going to multiply by 250. Then we are going to also multiply this by 2. So that one will become 10 mils. Now if we do our mathematics, what will we get? So 200 divided by 250 times 10. So you see the answer is still the same, will give us 8 mils. So that is example 2. Let's go to example 3. So doctor has prescribed syrup calf 60 milligram QID for 5 days. Now we still use the very same criteria, like prescribed amount divided by what we have times the dial length. So our prescription is 60 milligram, and then we have 120 milligram, and then our dial length is 5 mils. So now if we do our mathematics, 60 divided by 125 times 5. So the thing is 2.4. If you don't have 2.4 in your measuring drug measures, now what you do, you can use syringe for what? Aspirating a 2.4. So that is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.